Thank you for watching this video. In this channel, you and I will be reviewing different cars and learn at the same time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining us. If you're a subscriber, please click the like button. Thank you. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I'm here in Changan, Otis, Manila to review the new 2020 Changan Honor S 1.5 liter. Before you start, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will leave the contact details in the description section, so please give them a call to purchase this vehicle. The Changan Honor S comes in a few variants, but most importantly, it comes in 7-seaters, 8-seaters, and the cargo variant. And I'm going to be showing you the Honor S 2-seater cargo. It's a really tiny looking but spacious vehicle for your cargo needs. The SRP of this vehicle is 515,000 SRP, and when you purchase this in cash, you will have 30,000 pesos discount, and also either in financing or cash, you will be getting the free V-Kool premium window tint. Now I'm going to show you the exterior, the interior, and some of its features. Let's start from the engine. It has a 1.5 petrol engine. It has 5-speed manual transmission. It can do about 105 horsepower and 145 Newton meters of torque. It has 14-inch alloy wheels. It has disc brake for the front and drum brake for the rear. Let's start from the exterior. Let's start from the front. This is the headlight. You have the projector lamp and the halogen type high beam and halogen type turn signal. You have some chrome accents right there, which makes the car look very modern. As you can see, the two lines continue all the way to the center grille and to the logo and until the other side. In this cargo variant, you do not have the fog lamp, honeycomb design front grills for your plate, and this is the lower portion of your Honor S. On the bonnet, you have some curves which makes the car more luxurious. Going to the side, we have alloy wheels. These are 14-inch wheels with 185/70 R14 tires on them. You don't see them, but they have disc brakes inside. This is what it looks like in the wheel well. There's plastic, the body color, mud flaps. This is a side mirror. You have repeaters and an ordinary mirror. This car comes with remote key that looks like this. Ta-da! And I can open. So when I opened it, it has the welcome light. I can also close it, and it beeps like that. There must be a way to turn off that horn. Going to the side, this is a cargo, so you only have 2 seats in front. The unique feature of this car is that the rear doors are sliding. We also have the same 14-inch alloy wheel right here, and that's how the wheel well looks like with the mud flap. Looks sturdy. That's alloy. The window. So we're here at the back. The rear combination lamp has a nice design. It's not just a square. And turn signal, reverse light, brake light. There's also rear fog lamp. Top mount brake light. There's no defogger here at the back. Changan logo. Lights for your plate number, and the handle for you to open the trunk. There's a physical keyhole right there. There's also a silver cladding or accent below the rear bumper. It says Honor S with gold and red with silver accents. This is how it looks like from this angle. The gas cap is on the right side. Let's get inside the driver's side. There's an antenna. The roof looks like that. Let's go inside. There you go. This is how the door panel looks like. It's hard plastic with some pattern. Some soft fabric. Hard plastic. Hard plastic. Power windows. And like silver metallic finish on the door handle. Cup holder and compartment. It's a manual adjustable seat. So you have one and you have the other one here. So it's like 4-way. The seats are very comfortable and they have white stitching. It's not every day you find this kind of seats in a cargo van. Clutch, brake, and accelerator. Hood release. Okay, the steering wheel cannot be adjusted. You have blanks. Headlight leveler, compartment. Up to now, I'm not sure what this is for. We have nice air vents with glossy black and chrome. And also chrome accent right here. Let's go inside. This is how the Honor S cargo looks like. On the first glance, you cannot tell that this is a cargo type of vehicle because it feels like I'm in a normal car. Steering wheel is plastic, horn here. This cargo variant doesn't come with the airbag and airbag here. Manual light system for the headlights are here, and this is for the fog lamp. Manual windshield wiper, yes. The physical keyhole. And this area looks like could be a push start key. The instrument cluster has a small LCD down there that shows if your doors are open or closed. Tachometer and the speedometer. Now I will try to not start the car, but yun, whoa, it's in blue. I hope there's no sound. Okay, turn it off. And then one more. Whoa! It's so bright. Whoa! Aircon! Whoa, aircon is working. There are lights. They're in white. Then, oh! The lights. So the car, okay, I'll show you again. Off. On. Whoa, you have white lights all over. White everywhere. Even here. Here, look at that. I like that. The high beam. Boom. Let me show you the headlight leveling. It's boom, it's going up. This car is so fun. Please contact Changan Autis if you want to buy this. Because these days, even the owners need to deliver their stuff. And this is a nice, it's not a bad car. You'll be happy here delivering stuff. Air vents, hazard, the radio system or the audio system with USB port, physical volume dials, and there's a button here called setup. That must be for the menu. Air condition, you have chrome dials with black gloss finishing. Down here you have 12 volt and a blank space with a compartment space. There's a top tray here. You can put anything, anytime. Right below that, there's a glove box, owner's manual, and the hook. Remember, this car is only 515,000 pesos SRP. And you also get 30,000 peso discount when you pay in cash. Oh, this cargo, and it's really protected by this. So, you having this room mirror is just for your face. Like that. It's okay. Because if you just try to put a dash cam that has a rear camera, then you can just put it here. It's not a problem. Those are cheap these days. On top, you have the speaker there. Vent holes. Another speaker there. Let's check out the sun visor. Whoa, it says Changan. And you can put some stuff here, like your very important documents. For the passenger, you don't have a lot of important documents to put there anyway. The cabin light, I like it. It's big and it does the job. Standard room mirror. The headliner is in fabric. We have the 5-speed manual transmission with chrome and plastic and leather, and also brushed aluminum style of accent. The cup holders, wow. Manual handbrake and your center console. This car is so fun. I mean, really, for the price. So this cargo variant doesn't have the blower here. Let's go to the back. The sliding door surely is one of the most convenient features there. You can easily enter. You can even sit down. You can even lie down. I'm about 6, right? And I'm lying down like this, like a crazy man. And it's not focusing, I don't know why. 2 people can lie down here, or 3. And we have our window. You can open it by doing that on both sides. Another funny thing is that you also have windows for the sliding doors. Wow, here's your doorknob, and there's your grab handle. Ooh, that's detail. You can lock and unlock. And this, the door panel is actually padded with leather. Oh my goodness, while the front door panel is not even leather. That's fun. So you need some leather paddings for your cargo these days, because they need to be delivered safely. Also here at the back, everywhere is padded leather. This is hard plastic. They took out the belt. Oh my, the entire headliner is in fabric, and there's your cabin light. The rear space wasn't really made for the cargo. It was a 7-seater or 8-seater that was converted by removing the seats. That's why you still have like the space here, and you also have the belt and everything. I'm really surprised you can open the window, and also you have leather paddings. Look at this. This is the front. There's no leather here. I like that. Like, that's very gimmicky. I can also open this area like that. Whoa. Just to give you an idea of the cargo space, I will show you. You can also sit down here. So that's how wide it is. Where's the spare tire? Let me go under. Yes, we have the spare tire, which is the full size and not the donut type. This is the place. You can remove this and you can loosen it, ready for your flat tire. This is how it looks like. Here's your very tiny, cute muffler. Now let me show you the engine. All sides can be opened. I can go out like this, like that. But you cannot open from the inside for the rear. Car looks like this. Wow, 515,000 pesos SRP. It's amazing. I'm not even being plastic here. It's really nice. Wow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave your comment in the comment section below if you have questions. But honestly, this car is really nice and not bad at all. I didn't show you the headlights yet. So this is how the Honor S cargo looks like with the lights on. Honestly, does it look like a cargo truck? I don't think so. Oh, the hood is open. Let me also show you the back. Whoa. Oh. Earlier I said the reverse light is there, but the reverse light is here. Fog lamp here. It's like the 2010 Montero. There's also one thing that I don't think other people will mention, but normally you will have the latch
on the right side and push it from right to left. But for this one, you have to push it from left to right, like that. So this is the engine bay. That's the 1.5 petrol engine. There, that's the hood. Like that. It says Changan. It says Changan. It says something else. For you to close it, just drop it. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ju from SoJooCars. This unit is available here in Changan Otis for 515,000 pesos SRP with 30,000 pesos cash discount, and you also get a free V-Kool tint for your windows. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and comment if you have questions. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you everybody. May your dreams come true.